is what we're driving today, fellas. All right, 2026 G70. Let's do it. Sport Plus, always. Not on my 2019 though. For stock, man, this thing's kind of loud. It got the valve mufflers from stock, so I mean, Sport Plus, open those right up. This thing is so nice though. Like, I wish I had my mics on me. I mean, get some exhaust noise, but my mic's in my G70 right now. So I'm going to return this loaner. They got the module in my car, and then they called me and said they needed a G sensor, which I actually scanned and figured out myself that I need a G sensor. I didn't see anything about the module, so I called and I was like, man, you got to make this right. Like, I don't have any proof that the module's bad. All you guys said on the work order is internal short in module or something like that. I didn't get any codes for that when I scanned it, and I have a top line scanner, so I mean, I'm sure they do too. I'm not saying anything like that, but I would have seen something, so I'm not really too sure. I think they were just throwing parts at it, honestly. But yeah. I'm gonna hit the highway. I'm gonna go. I gotta get this back by 6, but I need to go run to the store real quick. I would rather use their gas than mine. So we're gonna go do that real quick. Actually, I'm gonna hop on this highway. Oh, fuck. I thought I forgot my vape at work, boys. Holy fuck. I would have had to wait till tomorrow, honestly. We gotta get over. There's a big fucking dump truck. On this highway, man. Oh, fuck. At least it would have been on video if it fucking cracked the windshield. Holy. I'm happy it wasn't my car. I would have been pissed. Where's on this fucking. Hopefully I make this in time. If I run into fucking traffic or something, I'm fucked. Bad traffic. Come on, go over if you're going. What's going on here? Go by, buddy. I'm gonna go by you. I was fucking truck. Man, this shifts so, like, it doesn't, I wouldn't say quicker, but just more crispy. Yeah, maybe just a little bit quicker, but like, this sounds like my G70 with downpipes right now. This is stock. get more parts in my G70, honestly, man. I can't keep, I don't know. I need exhaust. I'll enjoy the car much more. Merge onto this bad boy. I hope you guys can hear the car, because I ain't got no mics right now, so, and this is stock, so I'm sure you can though. I mean, should pick it up. And I gotta be careful. I got pulled over up here one time. It caught me by surprise, man. Crazy view though. This tow truck's making all kinds of noise. Holy smokes. You're gonna need a tow itself. Yeah, guys, this car is, honestly, I love it. I ain't gonna lie. But I do love my G70. It's just a screen. If I had this screen, perfect. And Sport Plus, but I don't care for this. I don't need a digital dash. And honestly, I feel like cars nowadays are just doing too much. Like, I seen a Mercedes-Benz, new Benz concept or whatever. I know it's a concept car, but that's just how things are going anyway. But screen here, and then another screen there. Like, what? Like, what's the point? I don't get it. I wouldn't even want all that screen. I actually had a car in the shop the other day that they had a digital dash, and their fucking digital dash went out. They had nothing. No speedometer, no gas, no kilometers, nothing. I'm gonna do a little pull. Fifth gear. Not bad. Grab something. I didn't want to use my gas. I'll use their gas. This car is hard as hell on gas anyway. So I'd rather not use mine if I can. Yeah, we're moving right now. Back in my pocket. I forget. get some more POVs. I just hate having the camera on top of my head. It just kind of, it's tight around my head because of my hair, and I just feel awkward as hell. I mean, I honestly, if I had my GoPro right now, I wouldn't put it on because this car ain't got no tinted windows. And I shouldn't worry about what people think, but I don't know why. I'm just thinking like, man, people looking at me, man, what is this guy up to, this and that? And it shouldn't matter, honestly, because you just got to go up and get content, you know what I mean? But I just get in my head about it sometimes, which is stupid, honestly. So I like making videos and stuff, but you know how that goes, man. But yeah, we got a bunch of traffic right now, so really there's not really much we can do. I'm kind of getting to where I gotta go anyway, so we'll call this a video, man. I know it wasn't too long, but it's a nice little POV or whatever. Yeah, more videos on the way, always. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 2026 G70. This is what you want. This is what you get. I'll catch you guys in the next video.